Dear students, today we will learn a new lesson, that is factorization. Okay. Now what is factorization? Already you have done what is factorization. Factors are what? The multiplication, after multiplication, the numbers which you found, that is the factors of that number. Like as for example, as for number 5. 5, how can you get 5 into 1? Okay, so 5 and 1 are the factor of 5. Clear? So like that, you can find as 6. How can you find? This is, you can find 2 into 3. So 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. Clear? So, or you can find 6 into 1. 6 and 1 are the factor of 6. So, factor of what? By which numbers you multiply, after multiplying which numbers you find the number, that is the factor. Okay, this is the factorization. Now, in your chapter 14, you have to do the factorization with algebraic expression. This is only for the numbers. Now you have to learn how to factorize with algebraic expression. Okay. Now see, expressions are say like that. Say 12x. Okay. 12x. How can you factorize it? First of all, you have to find the factors of 12. Clear? 12. How can you find 12? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This multiply x. Only how many x is there? Only one x is there. Okay. So this is the factorization of this one. After factorize, what you find? 2 into 2 into 3 is 12, then into x. Say another one, say 6 x square. This one, how can you factorize? 6 you find 2 into 3 into x square means x into x. How many x is there? 2x is there, so this one you can write x into x. Is it clear? See another one, 5 x square y cube. Now see, 5 you can write 5 into 1, or you can write only 5 into x square. You can write x into y cube. How many y is there? 3y. Y into y into y. So like that you can factorize a term. Okay. After that, you can take common from any two term. Now say these three terms are there. Okay. From these three terms, which term are common? 1 here, this is 2 into 2 into 3, this is 2, 3, this is 5 and into 1. From these three only you can take, nothing is there to take common in numerical part. Okay. And in the variable part only one x is there, which is the common. Okay. Now say exercise 14.1. So there are various method to do the factorization method. Okay. First of all, you have to know how to take the common. Now number 1, find the common factors of the given term. Okay. So like as number 1, 12. First of all, you have to find it, the factors. First one is given 12x. 12 you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Okay. Next is 36. 36 it is, you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is the factorization of 36. Now common factor is what? Common factor of 12x and 36 is what? From here it is 2. another 2 is there, another 3 is there. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is the common factor of 12x and 36. See another example, number 5. Okay, number 5 you see. 6 ABC equal to 2 into 3 into A into B into C. Next, 24 AB square. 24 you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay? 24 into A into B square, B into P. Another is given 12 A square B. 12 you can write 2 into 2 into 3. A square you can write A into B. Okay? Now common factors are what? Common factor. What? This one 2 is common, so 2. Then this 3, this 3, this 3. 1 3 is common, 3. Okay? Then A into A common. Then 1 B common. Then into B. C is not common, okay? So this is equal to 6AB. So common factor is 6AB. So like that you can take the common, okay? Next is factorization, number 2. Factorize the following expression. So here regrouping by taking common. These factors number 2, the procedure is taking common. You can do the factorization. Common लेके factorize कर सकते हो. देखो number 1, what is given? 7x minus 42. Okay? 7x and 42. 6 7s are 42. Here also 7 is there. So if you take 7 common from here and bracket, you find, taking common you find only x is there. यहाँ पर भी 7 है, इसको तोड़ोगे तब भी 7 मिलेगा. कैसे? 6 7s are 42. क्लियर? सो फ्रॉम दिस टू टर्म, ये दोनों टर्म से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? 7 कॉमन ले सकते हो. 7 ले लिया तो क्या बच गया? यहाँ पर x बच गया माइनस व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हेयर. यहाँ पर क्या बच गया? 6. क्लियर? नाउ यू सी इट इज कम इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन, in term of multiplication. 7 into x minus 6. One factor is 7, another factor is x minus 6. So this is the answer. Okay? So another one, number 9. Number 9. Okay? X square yz plus xy square z plus xy z square. कॉमन ले सकते हो. कॉमन मतलब हर एक टर्म में प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए. देखो यहाँ पर x स्क्वायर है, y है, z है, मतलब यहाँ पर 2 x है, 1 y है, 1 z है. यहाँ पर 1 x है, 2 y है, 1 z है. क्लियर? तो हर एक टर्म से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? विच इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल द टर्म? ओनली 1 x, एक x प्रेजेंट है हर एक टर्म में. उसके बाद देखो ओनली y, 1 y इज प्रेजेंट इन एवरी टर्म. ओके, यहाँ पर एक y है. क्लियर? फिर यहाँ पर एक z है, ओनली 1 z. यू कैन टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम 3. सो z कॉमन लिया. ठीक है? एक x गया, एक y गया, एक z गया. क्या बच गया यहाँ पर? ओनली 1 x इज लेफ्ट हेयर. सो 1x प्लस यहाँ से x चला गया, एक y चला गया, z चला गया. क्या बचा? एक y बचा. सो y प्लस x you take common, y you take common, one z you take common. What is left here? Only one z. Clear? So this is your factorization. This is your answer. Clear? Next, number 3. Okay. This factorization is in which procedures? By taking common. Okay, by taking common. Next is number 3, by regrouping. By regrouping मतलब ग्रुप करके फिर वहाँ से कॉमन लो, उसके बाद फैक्टराइज करो. देखो कैसे. नंबर 3, 1 x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Okay. Now you have to see from which terms, which two term, कौन सा दो terms. यहाँ पर कितना टर्म है? 4 टर्म है. ओके. सो ग्रुप कर सकते हो. कैसा ग्रुप कर सकते हो? दो टर्म लेके एक ग्रुप बना सकते हो, जहाँ से तुम कॉमन ले सकते हो. ओके. अभी देखो, इफ यू टेक दिस वन एंड दिस वन एज ग्रुप, with what will can you can take as common? You can take as common as x. x को कॉमन ले सकते हो. ठीक है. एक x गया, क्या बच गया? यहाँ पर एक x है प्लस, यहाँ से x ले लिया, क्या बच गया? y. हो गया x प्लस y प्लस. फिर बाकी जो टर्म है यहाँ से ऐसे कॉमन लेना है क्योंकि फिर एक x प्लस y आ जाए. ठीक है. दिस शुड बी द रूल. इसको फॉलो करना है क्योंकि जब कॉमन लेने के बाद जो बच जाएगा दैट शुड बी इक्वल. अभी ये 8x प्लस 8y, यहाँ से क्या कॉमन ले सकता है? 8 कॉमन ले सकता है. क्लियर. 8 लेने के बाद यहाँ पर क्या बच गया? x बच गया प्लस यहाँ पर क्या बच गया? y. क्लियर. सो again you see this is one term plus this is another term. Okay. Again from these two term you can take common one thing. क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? दिस x प्लस वाई. ये x प्लस वाई कॉमन ले सकते हो. सो x प्लस वाई कॉमन ले लिया. ठीक है. अभी इस टर्म में क्या बच गया? ओनली दिस x इज लेफ्ट हेयर. सो हेयर x. फ्रॉम दिस टर्म विच वन इज लेफ्ट? दिस 8. सो प्लस this 8. Clear? So x plus y into x plus 8. So this is the factor of this expression. Say another example. Number 4. 15 pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. Okay. Now you have to take common by regrouping. मतलब दोनों का एक ग्रुप बना के उससे कॉमन लेना है. ठीक है. अभी इफ आई टेक दिस वन एंड दिस वन, क्लियर, इसको ले सकता है. देखो, अगर मैं ये दो लेना है मुझे, देन which one you can take common? 15. You can take common 15. Is it? अभी 15 लेने के बाद यहाँ पर क्या बचा? Only PQ. Which one is left? PQ. Here which one is left? Only 1. Clear? 15 ones are 15. तो 15 ले लिया, क्या बच गया? 1. Now you see in this part also, after taking common you have to find this one. ये दोनों में से भी तुमको क्या मिलना है? PQ plus 1. But you see here, in this term and this term there is not a single PQ. Is it clear? यहाँ पर भी PQ नहीं है, यहाँ पर भी PQ नहीं है. So you can take common this one and this one as your group. Clear? ग्रुप ऐसे लेना है क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी जो आएगा ये दोनों में से कॉमन लेने पर भी यहाँ पर भी सेम आएगा. ओके. बट हेयर यू कैन फाइंड दिस इज PQ plus 1. ओके. सो वी हैव टू टेक अनदर as a group, another two term as a group. Clear? So if I take 15pq and 9q, अभी चेक करना है 15pq और 9q, ये दोनों में से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? Which one you can take as common? 15 is 3 into 5, 9 is 3 into 3. Okay, दोनों में से क्या है कॉमन? 3, एक 3 कॉमन है. ओके, फिर यहाँ पर P है, यहाँ पर P नहीं, यहाँ पर Q है, यहाँ पर भी Q है. सो Q यू कैन टेक कॉमन. क्लियर? ले लिया. अभी इसमें क्या बचा? 15 में से 3 चला गया, 5 इज देयर. PQ में से Q चला गया, P इज देयर. सो 5P हो गया. ये भी ग्रुप में लिया था, इसका साइन है प्लस, सो प्लस. यहाँ से 9 से 3 ले लिया, सो 3 इज देयर. Q you already take as common, so there is no Q is there. Clear? So now you group this one and this one, 15 and 25p. Okay, 15 and 25, which one you can take common? 5 you can take common. Clear? So if you take 5, then what is left here? From 15, 3 will be left. Plus, from 25, if you take P only, then which is left? 5 and P. Clear? So 5P plus 3 and 5P plus 3. This one is common. 5P plus 3 into 3Q plus 5. Okay? So this one is your factors. Clear?